Hello. Welcome to my YouTube video, my YouTube channel. This is Jason Brown. Appreciate you tuning in, appreciate you being here, definitely. If you are new to me, new to this channel, please give me a like, maybe shoot me a comment. Really appreciate you being here. Certainly, definitely hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of these, any of the value, any of the tips that I'm gonna share, that I have shared, gonna share, will be sharing in the near future and beyond. So, again, thanks for being here. I'm excited today. Got a lot of things on my mind that I want to talk about specific to this online space and ways that there are to earn an actual income, a real income. And you know, it's exciting because people are really doing this, and that's not just unique to my opportunity or opportunities. There's so many ways to earn an income from home. There's so many ways to change your current situation financially, your time, the amount, the stress in your life, all those things throughout this crazy times that we're living in, through this pandemic and through the coronavirus and all those nasty things. There's still ways to be successful. There's still so many ways for you to make your life what you want it to be, what you've been working for, what you strive for, what you dream about, what you see others doing, what you're jealous of others doing. You can have those things. It's all about finding the right vehicle. It's about finding the right mentor. It's about putting in the actual effort. I think there's sometimes some confusion. Whoops, sorry about that. There's some confusion about, if you get to work in an online space, well, if I work for an hour, I'll be rich in no time. And, it doesn't go like that. That's not realistic. So, the first is kind of changing that mindset, changing how you think about things, changing how you see what's going on around you and how you want to live your life, and what you're willing to do with your time, and what you're willing to change from your current habits and the things that you've probably been doing for a long time that aren't helping you to be successful going forward. So I've been made a few videos, and this one is today. I've talked quite a bit most recently about a platform that I'm involved in called the Successful Solution Method. It's I want to say a brand new platform. It's just 8 weeks old. I've been in just about 6 weeks, and it's been outstanding. I've shared that it's changed my presence, if you will, in the online space. It's changed how I utilize my Facebook. It's changed how I utilize my friends, my page, my engagement. It's changed. Here I am doing live videos to talk about it, and to hopefully share with others the success that we're having and the success that you can find as well with our platform. If you don't want to share the platform, it doesn't matter. You can still earn a great income without having to worried about who's going to see that you're doing what and those sorts of things. Some people have that misnomer until they really get going, and then it's hard to not share. When you find success, when you are excited about what you're doing, it's hard not to share it. And Aunt Lucy and Grandma and whoever else and friends that are going to be offended because you're doing an online business, all that goes away once they see proof. Proof outweighs everything. Once you show them what you're doing, how you're doing it, and that they can do it too, and others like them can do it too, and their friends and other people, everyone can do this, all of that goes away as far as judging and, oh, I can't believe you're doing all those things are silly. Yeah, okay. How silly is all this money I'm making doing it? And again, I'm not saying that it's easy. I'm not saying it happens overnight, but I will say with the Successful Solution Method, people are making money in their first week. 2 weeks, 3 weeks. People are making money. Life-changing income? Absolutely not. But real money, real income that they continue to build, and they reinvest in themselves, and they reinvest in building their business. And we have something unique with this Successful Solution Method, in that the way that we find target audience and the way that we find people interested in our business is through qualified leads. Qualified leads that come in through your link, and then are directed to a success coach that closes those leads for you. How nice is that? So I don't like to sell. That's gone. You don't have to. I don't like to talk to people. You don't have to. I don't like to whatever you can come up with. Pretty much the answer is you don't have to. So just an outstanding opportunity. I couldn't be happier that I'm involved in it. I couldn't be happier to share it with some of you that are able to find this video on YouTube. And I certainly am happy to answer any questions. I'm happy to, we have a Facebook group that is outstanding with support, that is outstanding and loaded with information that's helpful when you're trying to, figure out how to get started, where to go. We also, on Facebook, we also have a team group chat that is full of support. It's full of, people that are willing to answer your questions. We have access to those same success coaches that I mentioned who are willing to help you. I've not ran across one person that doesn't want to see themselves and everyone else on the team do well. I legitimately have not, and our team is growing. And we're not talking about 5-10 people. We're talking about 300-400-500 people. And everybody is, we just all feed off of each other. It's a real community that, led by our mentor, Amanda Ray. We're all following a pattern. We're all following a path. We're not copycats. We're taking what she's giving us and making it our own. At least that's what we should be doing. And those of us that aren't are being directed and constructively led to where they're doing it correctly, making it their own, rather than just being copycats. Nobody wants to see everybody posting the exact same thing on the exact same time on the exact same day. You get the picture. That's not what we're doing. We're taking the methods, we're taking the techniques, we're learning them, and we're making them our own. We're drawing people to us. I've never had so many people message me saying, what are you doing? What's going on? What is this? It's clear attraction marketing. We're inspiring each other. We're increasing our engagement on a daily basis to where you put something out and a couple hundred people by the end of the day have reacted, have commented, are encouraged by your words, and most have nothing to do with you or your business yet. So all great things, and just so much still to learn. I feel like I'm on a tremendous journey. I feel like I found my home. I feel like I'm extremely excited to share this with you today. I feel like my videos get better because of that excitement and because of just challenging myself to continue to improve. And the best part of all of it, all that training that I'm talking about, well, couple best things. The first one is it's yours. You own it. It's not going to disappear. It's in your back office. And when we have live trainings, within a couple hours, most times within an hour, they're available, bam, to watch that replay again. So if you miss it, you catch the replay pretty quickly. If you watch it and you say, what was that she said? How did that go? You go watch it, you stop, start, pause, all those things. You own those videos. You own that training. So that's and it's invaluable. And some of the stuff, have I seen it before, similar, and oh yeah, sure, of course. But it goes in so much deeper, and everything is laid out, explained, and again, we follow the path, follow the direction and the instruction given. You have got to be coachable. If you're not coachable and you think you know everything, probably not the best program for you. If you're not coachable and you think you know everything, good luck. That's going to be a struggle in just about anything. But with this, legitimately, if you're coachable and you're willing to put in the work, you can do this. You too can do this. I've been in just about 6 weeks. I've made $800. Life-changing? Not yet, but it's coming. It's definitely coming. So, again, Successful Solution Method. Our mentor Amanda Ray is outstanding. She has been in been in the online space, and she's been fine-tuning and crafting this since 2016, and she has got it down. And I've transformed what I'm doing. I've transformed how I'm doing it in just these 6 weeks, and I couldn't be more grateful. I couldn't be more grateful and more excited for what's to come. And what I was alluding to as well with this training, it'll help me with any business. My other businesses that I'm involved in, absolutely is going to help me scale my business within the next 6 weeks again. By this time, so I've been in 6 weeks. By the time I'm 6 more weeks from now, everything I'm doing is going to be a complete transformation. Everything that I'm doing for every online opportunity I have, for everything that I've done online, is going to be doing a complete 180. It's already started. It's already happening. It's already in motion. And now I just keep pushing it along. And it's going to continue to change and continue to improve. And it's amazing. So, the life-changing income maybe isn't right now. Who would expect to be in 6 weeks? But 6 more weeks, which is 12 weeks, I'm really excited to be back and sharing with you what that looks like then, what I've been able to do, what I've been able to do not only with just a successful solution method, but my other online opportunities, and just my overall freedom, my overall financial freedom, my overall life is going to have a drastic change because it's already happening and it's already been taking place. So I encourage you. We do the way we primarily share our information on a weekly basis. We have a webinar, and everybody that's involved in the program shows up, and we all are in part of it. And there's always tremendous testimonials. Sometimes there's a tear or two shed because of it, because of how exciting and some, the from the ground up stories that are shared and those sorts of things. So those are Wednesdays. Every Wednesday, they're on a live Zoom. As well as shared on Facebook Live, and they're at 7 Eastern Time, which is 6 Central and 4 Pacific. And I encourage you to check it out. I have a link down below here in the description of this video. You can click that link, get registered. You'll get an email reminder. Hop on with us. Take a look. You've got zero to lose, but a whole lot to gain. I guarantee you that. I'll also have my link. If you're ready, you're excited as I am, and you just want to get started, I'll have that link below as well. I'll have my email. You'll know how to contact me. I'll have my Facebook. You can know how to contact me. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to get you involved. I'd love to share with you what's changing my life as we speak. And I look forward to doing so. I look forward to hearing from you. I hope you leave me a comment. I hope you reach out, Facebook, email, phone, however you want to reach me. And I'll see you at the top. Let's get there. All right, Jason Brown, I'm out.